World largest laundry.
Washing time mga lord, washing time. Sa Friday, weekend.
Is preparing for Christmas light here. It's Bernie preparing Christmas light here in the World Laundry. You see that? Preparing of Christmas light here in the laundry. In the World Laundry. Bernie preparing of the Christmas light. Karon humag panglaba, gidana pod ko aning duha. Kay
Kami pa pasahan.
mangaon na pod ni sa kuan daw. Pero labay sa kong basuran. Tingnan mo ang snow sa bahay. Oh. Sobrang lamig ano. Nakabitin. Sa sobrang lamig. Magpanglaba guys. Gidana po rin sa kong kauban sa balay. Lamining way trabaho kay daghang mo dala ba ngaon. Mangaon daw sa restaurant. Pabusog na sabtani, delikado kayo. High blood mga lods. Picturean ako niya akong gipangkaon. Ana lingaw-lingaw. Kung maglaba, ang kaon sa gawas, alami kayo. Mayaning wala kay trabaho kay may mudala sa ato ang pan ba? Biod to. Apil lang panihapon. Suroy-suroy dire mga lods. Pag paniod to. Wala trabaho pero nag-stick-stick kay gidaman ko ani niya ako please. Muna yung anak sa tagya sa kuyota.
Ino ipakuan si Clarice. Buong ka.
Puro gutom. Oh. Lami kayong ulam mga lods.
Oh.
Yeah, beef. Beef na siya. Dili. Ang stick dili na siya beef, pork. Tapos mag-dessert ko mga lods. Banana split. Akong dessert tanawan niyo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We still have snow in the ground, but I think tomorrow they gonna snow again. So the winter this time is too early. Supposed to be the winter is like December 22 like that, but the start early that winter, the snow. So look at that in the side, it still have snow, but what you gonna do? It's a winter time, but the winter supposed to be is December 22 I think, or 21. That's the one to start the winter, but they snow early. So that's a scenery. This is the scenery of the winter, the view, a lot of snow. So snowy. Tomorrow I think they're gonna snow. That's the way of the winter. Snowy. That's the way in the winter. Snowy. I think it's tonight. They're gonna snow tonight. So that's the way. Abot na sa balay. Gikan na ngaon. So salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa akong mga videos. Thank you so much.